Hello everyone. So now we are going to understand rank, dense rank, and row number. These are pretty straightforward. Let's understand them. We'll start with rank. The syntax is pretty straightforward. Say I want to find out the ranks based on basically by department. In each department, I want to find ranks of each employee based on the salary that they earn. So highest salary person will be ranked higher. This is my rank value. Let's see the output first for the rank. So this is the output. In case of accounting department, we can clearly see 5,000 is the highest salary. So it is ranked 1, 2450 is second, and 1300 is. Now the most interesting data is this one, where two salaries are same, 3000 and 3000, and both are marked as 1 and 1. What happens to the third salary or the third highest salary? It is marked as 3. So somehow you can see that number 2 is missing. It directly goes on to 3 because here the number 2 was marked as 1. So this is the rank for you, and close to that is dense rank, which actually solves this problem. Let's look at the output. If I run this, for the first department it is same, but for second, see after 3000, it is marking the highest salaries as top highest, that is top rank 1 1, and the next one is marked as second, which was missing in the rank. Let's see dense rank. So dense rank doesn't skip any number. So that's the difference between rank and dense rank. The rest all is same. So here you are doing the ordering by salary descending. Now look at the third option that we have, that is row number. Row number, I'll just put as RN. Let's see the difference. Got this output here. See, for the first case, the output for rank, dense rank, and row number will be same. When the values are same, right? There you will find this difference. For rank, we got 1 1, dense rank 1 1, but for row number, it is 1 and 2. So it is randomly going to do the ordering because I have not mentioned any other column. So here it is going to pick up one of the values as first and second, and the rest is third and fourth. So this is what the row number does. This is typically for assigning row numbers. So this is all about rank, dense rank, and row number. Thank you so much.